Hey, I'm Patrick with Lectrium, and I'm here to talk to you about some level 2 chargers. So this right here is a Grizzl-E Classic, and this is one of the chargers we carry in our store at Lectrium.com. You can go look at there, see Grizzl-E chargers, we have wall box chargers, we have a bunch of different things that you can look at. And these are all level 2, so these are things that you're going to install at your home. So, wanted to walk you through a couple features of this guy. So right here, again, I said this is the Grizzl-E Classic. This is your quote-unquote dumb charger. So it's not gonna have any software to help control it. It's just gonna be, you're gonna walk in, park your car at home at the end of the night, you're gonna plug your car in and not have to worry about anything, and it'll charge your car. There'll be no app or software to control it. But this comes standard with your J1772 plug, and that's standard for all electric vehicles besides Tesla. And this version here comes with a NEMA 1450 outlet. So that is your 220, 240 outlet, kind of like a dryer socket outlet. So you plug this into the wall, you plug this end into your car, and you're good in your charger. So over here, you can see this charger does not have any sort of LED display. Some level 2 chargers will, this Grizzl-E does not. Like the Juice Box will have a LED display where you can interact with the screen. The Grizzl-E does not. The wall box also does not. So this charger also comes with mounting kits. It comes with a mounting plate, some screws, and it comes with a holster that will hold your J1772 plug for some cable management, so it keeps things nice and tidy for you. So this charger is set for 40 amps. It's also got some dip switches in here that can be preset by the manufacturer to set it to 32 amps, 20 amps, 16 amps, and that delivers different power levels to your car. So a way to think about that is voltage, which is this guy right here. Voltage is the speed at which the electricity travels, and amperage is the volume at which the electricity travels. So think about, water going down a tube, going down a pipe. The speed is the voltage of the water traveling, and the diameter of the pipe is the amperage. So the higher the amperage, the more power is able to flow to your vehicle. So this one right here, like I said, 40 amps, and that'll charge most EVs from 0 to 100% in anywhere from 8 to 10 hours. And that recommended range from 20 to 80% in something like 4 to 6 hours. So another nice feature about the Grizzl-E Classic is its price point. Definitely in the lower price range compared to other chargers. Other chargers in the market will be, in the $600, $700, $800 range. This one's right here in the $300 or $400 range, depending on if you get the Classic or the Grizzl-E Smart. There is an option here, like I was saying, with the Grizzl-E Smart, where you can have some software to control it, where you can set charging schedules to where your car receives power only at certain times of day or night, and you can optimize that to make your charging schedule as cost effective and cost efficient as possible. So this is the Grizzl-E Classic here. You can find that on our website at Lectrium.com. You can look up chargers like this or other level 2 chargers that you can put in your home. You can also take a survey on our website to see what it would cost to put this into your house from a local certified electrician. And you can also now look at listings on our website. We list cars that are available in your area for you to purchase. All right, again, I'm Patrick with Lectrium. Have a good one.